welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day today. Welcome back to the second candle and wax review. To get started, I have a no name candle here. Doesn't even have tags on the bottom. It was yellow, it did soot quite a bit, and it was scented like honeysuckle. And I'm assuming this might be from Walmart or somewhere like that, but picked this up at a yard sale. It was completely full and only had been burnt just a tiny little bit. This had a very strong, very massive throw, very strong scent, floral scent. The honeysuckle reminds me of my childhood, and I just love this one so very much. Okay, this is a Dollar General candle, and it's from Christmas, and this was a clearance candle. This is in Woodland Pine. This, to be a pine scented candle, you would think this had a really great throw. It really didn't. It was quite muted, and really you could only smell it if you were close to it. So disappointed in this, even though it was a clearance candle. From DollarTree, I have the Peach Cobbler Moonshine from the ODE Williamsburg Candle Company. This is not only cute packaging, cute candle in general. These are 3-ounce candles. This had a very nice scent to it, very peachy, and it filled the entire kitchen and dining room area, which I really like. So it had a throw of a couple rooms, and I would definitely repurchase this nice peachy scent if you're a fan of peach. If you find this in your store, pick it up. I definitely like that one. I would repurchase that one for sure. I have the Flashpoint candle in Citrus Grove, and this says it's a hand-poured artisan candle. Very beautiful packaging. This is not Greenbrier. This is a brand that they just happen to be carrying. They had about 3 or 4 of these different ones to choose. I picked up citrus, and I picked up, I believe, the melon one they had. Super cute gift idea. Very cute packaging. Burnt very nicely. Had a very nice throw on this one. And I thought because it was citrus, it was very perfect for the kitchen area. And it had a real great throw and lingered through the air. Very nice and soft. Not super loud scent, but very well done and blended. I liked this one a lot. Another ODE Williamsburg candle here, and this is Berry Crumble. These are the jar candles. Once again, I love these. I think they make great gifts as well. And it burnt very nicely, even though there is some wax remnants on the jar. This reminds me of the Family Dollar Strawberry Jam candle. Very nice, very great throw as well. If I find this one again, I definitely would repurchase Berry Crumble. If you're a berry fan, you would probably really love this one. It's a good one. And the last candle I have to share with you is from Mainstays, and it's Mulled Cider. This is just their 3-ounce candle. These are dollar candles at Walmart. And these are the scents that I like to burn, especially when, you know, like if you have company or something like that. These have amazing throws. Mulled Cider, hazelnut, cream. Their vanilla scented one, their apple cinnamon one from Mainstays is really good. I can smell this right now. It's so nice. This is one of my favorite scents alongside of hazelnut cream. And magnificent throw. It does several rooms. It burns nice and even. Great little candles. Definitely recommend the Mainstays, Mulled Cider, and hazelnut cream. Moving on to waxes, I have a couple sensational waxes. These are $2 each at Walmart. Same goes for the Better Homes and Garden. This is in Unicorn Cake, and it says it's uniquely sweet. It is a basic bakery scent. Very nice. I love the throw on this one. And I also, not only does it smell like a bakery, but it has kind of like a fruity hint in there as well. Very nice. I would definitely repurchase this one. If you're into that girly, bakery, fruity kind of scent thing, you definitely would love this one. I have Fall Fetty, Enjoy It's Delicious, and this is once again a bakery scent. And it was just basically a fun Fetty cake kind of scent. Very nice. I liked this one. If you're a fan of vanilla and maybe a hint of butterscotch, you'd probably really like this one. They had great throws. I like the Sensational waxes, and I really like these Better Homes and Gardens ones as well. Now, a lot of these, I had 7 total waxes to share. A lot of these had bits and pieces in them, just bits and bobs left, so I decided that we would use those up. So a lot of these are fall winter scents. First up from them, we have a limited edition Mahogany and Sandalwood. I love these 2 scents combined. I will purchase any scent or any candle or wax that has mahogany and sandalwood. It's a nice woodsy kind of scent. It has that kind of hint musky woods scent. Love it. Rustic. This one's incense and evergreen, and basically it's a pine scent. Very nice. It does have a hint of something else in it, so the incense, nice, and it's limited edition. I would pick that one up again. It's really nice. Another limited edition one I have is Harvest Pumpkin Peach. This scent was nice. It was kind of light, so I did use 2 wax melts at a time. Typically I like to use just 1, but I did use 2 because it was kind of a light scent. It's kind of spicy, but you do smell the peach in there as well. Overall, it was nice. I don't know that I would grab another one just because I had to use 2 at a time. And I have Sliced Apple Cinnamon, and just like the name suggests, this is an apple cinnamon scent. It's nice, it's light, it reminds me of Mulled Cider, or apple cider, I guess, and I would repurchase this again, but in regards to cinnamon scent, I do prefer their spicy cinnamon sticks scent the best, or just the basic apple cinnamon scent, because they're much stronger than this one. And the last but not least, this is from Better Homes and Gardens as well. These are a bit pricier, more pricier than the $2 waxes, because they have essential oil infused in them. This is sandalwood and vanilla in their aromatherapy ones, and same concept. You get 6 cubes. This smells so good. It's vanilla, but it has like a musk kind of scent to it too, that woodsy sandalwood scent. Very nice. I would definitely repurchase this one. I absolutely loved it. This is my candles empty video. Hope you guys enjoyed the review, enjoyed the video, enjoyed the little insight on the candles and the waxes. I always thank you guys so very much for watching. Don't forget to check that description box for additional links. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you're not already.